Let's learn how to add a blur effect in Premiere Pro. First, right-click in the project panel, go to New Item, and select Adjustment Layer, then click OK. Drag the adjustment layer to the timeline and match its length to the length of your project. Next, go to the Effects panel and drag the Gaussian blur effect onto the adjustment layer in the timeline. Now, navigate to the Effect Controls panel and locate the Gaussian blur effect. Increase or decrease the blurriness value as desired. To create a blur transition, move the playhead a few keyframes ahead where you want the blur to start. Click the stopwatch icon next to blurriness to set a keyframe at 0. Then, move a few more keyframes ahead and change the blurriness value to 75. Check the preview to see if it looks good. Now, move a few more keyframes ahead and create another keyframe by clicking the dot, keeping the value at 75. Finally, move a bit further ahead and change the value back to 0 to complete the blur effect. That's it. Your blur effect is now ready. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more.